This sacred pilgrimage site is also home to hundreds of monkeys considered holy to Tibetan Buddhists and Hindus. According to legend, Manjushree, the bodhisattva of wisdom, was in the process of raising the temple hill when the lice in his hair transformed into these monkeys. Kathmandu Valley was once a lake, out of which grew a lotus, and hill rose from the water. The lotus was transformed into a hill, and the flower became the Swayambhu Stupa. Swayambhu means self-arisen or self-created. Right at the entrance, you will see a beautiful fountain, the world peace pond. A brass statue of Buddha standing on lotus flower. Nangwathaye Monlam. This monlam will help rebirth in Pure Land, especially if do it or recite it while alive and at death. This monlam video is composed by Vishal Lama. There are thousands of dogs in Nepal and estimated 20,000 in Kathmandu alone. Nepali street dogs are smart, resourceful, resilient, streetwise, loving and loyal. But many staffs get hit by cars, suffer from other illness and are left untreated to live out miserable lives and die alone and unloved. I don't know about the virus and I understand that people are scared about everything. But there is no reason to stop me from feeding hungry stray dogs. I bought a box of unsweetened biscuit from a local store. Resting on a hillock 3 kilometers west of Kathmandu, Swayambhunath is one of the holiest Buddhist stupas in Nepal and it's at least 15 years old. The top of the stupa is covered in 20 kilograms of gold and has the image of Buddha's eyes and eyebrow painted on it. As you walk around the stupa, you will also come across the 365 steps that are actually meant to be climbed to reach this stupa. The climb up to 365 steps staircase to the top of the hill at Swayambhunath is long, but there are places to rest along the way. From the Swayambhunath Stupa, you will have an amazing view of Kathmandu Valley. Apart from being a very popular site for tourists to visit, it's also a place of pilgrimage and prayers for followers of both Buddhism and Hinduism. The prayer wheels are embossed with the sacred mantra Om Mane Padme Hum. Both Buddhist and Hindu pilgrims, as well as other visitors to the site, spin the wheels to accumulate good karma and wisdom, also to eliminate bad karma. There are around 6,000 prayer wheels around Swayambhunath Hill.
관계에다 주기 주나라 전조받아 다는 여기 주서 기도해서 돌아 현재 상고도 하시고.
Swayambhunath Stupa is the monkey temple because there are hundreds of monkeys who live there.